Many of you in the room are making targets based on what you need, not what the whole community needs. How many of you read the 10X rule? Anybody here? All right. This book is about how I got out of 2008, because how I got out of 2008 was not as important as how I got into it. If you got spanked before, it's because you were in the wrong place at the wrong time with too little. Okay? If you've ever approached bankruptcy, the broker that the gentleman was talking about that went bankrupt, it's because he didn't get big enough. Okay? You cannot fail when you get bigger and bigger. You have to keep scaling out your business. You don't have a choice. Your dreams have to be way bigger than what you're thinking about, folks. Because right now what you're thinking about is what you need. When I quit thinking about what I need, I started getting exactly what I needed and what I deserved. So the 10X concept is like, okay, how much would I need? How many people would I need to call on? Who would I need to be in front of? What would I need to do so that I never have to worry about money? Or when I'm worried about money, I'm worried about big money problems rather than little money problems. Because that's the target, man. I gotta love myself. I gotta like me, okay? I'm not trying to produce for the rest of the world. I'm trying to produce for me. I'm not even trying to produce for my kids and my wife. Yeah, they're beneficiaries. But look, if I can please me, if I could shock myself, okay, would I be able to take care of my wife and kids? 3 things you should be investing in 2021. Number 1, these things will never let you down, folks. Number 1, you should be investing in yourself. Some of you got more money in Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citibank than you do in yourself. I invest, number 1, in me. Number 2, I invest. I will never give the bank money until I invest in my business. Okay? The 3rd thing I would invest in, once you and your business are doing well, by the way, you'll know. It's not even a question. If you're calling me up like, when should I start investing, Grant? If you're still asking that question, you don't have enough money. It will be so obvious to you. Your business is on banging, it's banging, 12 cylinders, you're just banging, man. Listings coming in, sales being made, people talking about you. Your freaking numbers are going like this. Everything's like straight up and vertical. Then you should invest in something where you cannot lose your money.